Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Times now has gone where probe agencies have failed to go. Or maybe say the Mumbai police has prevented anyone from going there and they themselves are bearing the truth. Our crack team and our investigation reporters, specialists have completely changed the narrative on the Sushant Singh Rajput case. The revelation that we are going to show you on the News Hour tonight will shock India. It's getting clearer, ladies and gentlemen. There is more to Sushant Singh Rajput's unnatural death than what meets the eye. We've been all along telling you it's not the suicide the Mumbai police wants us to believe in. This is definitely foul play. Was it murder? Was it abetment to suicide? All of those ankles become wide open tonight, and not just with hearsay, conjecture and speculation, but with hard proof and proof that we'll bring up to you in just 2 minutes from now. Before I reveal any more, let's take a look at the top headlines making news this Thursday evening. Most startling development in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Times Now accesses Sushant's personal diary. Investigation reveals key pages towards the end of this diary have been ripped off. Sushant Singh Rajput's former partner Ankita Lokhande had revealed the importance of this diary on Times Now last Friday. Only his inner circle knew about this document and each detail of his life that he used to note in it. So who tampered with this key evidence? Times Now accesses Sushant's call record details with throw up and other clincher. Sushant had discussed a new film deal just the day before his death. Another jolt to the suicide theory. Riya Chakrabarti's shield crumbles. CBI begins investigations, takes over probe from Bihar Police. Special team formed to ensure justice for Sushant as CBI registers a case with Riya Chakrabarti as accused. Not just Sushant, Mumbai police botch up Disha probe 2. Ultimate insider goes on to record and confirm that neither the cops nor the forensic team bothered to get the entire process videographed. Once again, is the Mumbai police trying to destroy the connection between Disha Salian's unnatural death stroke suicide and Sushant Singh Rajput's death stroke suicide?
You're watching the News Hour at 9.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I get into the diary angle, let's tell you how we got into the diary angle in the first place. In fact, not many people knew this about Sushant Singh Rajput. The fact that he maintained a diary, the fact that he used to note down everything, his good moments of the day, his bad moments of the day, his worries, his happiness, what he spoke with people, who all he met that day, everything noted down in a diary. And last Friday, when I interviewed Ankita Lokhande, it was she who said that Sushant Singh Rajput's diary had everything that he went through during the day. In fact, he was somebody who even noted in his diary about what he wanted to achieve, the milestones he wanted to get to, even something over the next 5 years. First, let's listen in to Ankita Lokhande, ex-partner, ex-girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, who were together till 4 years before Sushant Singh Rajput passed on, and she lived with him for 7 years. Listen in to Ankita Lokhande.
जी, सुशांत को मैं जानती हूँ। मैं सुशांत और हमने अपना करियर की शुरुआत साथ में की थी। पवित्र रिश्ता, हमने दोनों ने अपना करियर वहां से स्टार्ट किया था। मैंने एक ऐसा लड़का हमेशा से सुशांत को देखा था फ्रॉम डे वन। वो हमेशा अपनी चीजें बहुत ध्यान से लिखता था। उसके लिए एक हमेशा वो एक चीज थी कि मैं जो सोचता हूँ वो उसकी डायरी में वो चीज होती थी। तो मैंने एक ऐसा लड़का अपनी लाइफ में देखा जिसने अपने 5 साल की आगे की फ्यूचर प्लानिंग तक लिखी हुई थी। और आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर वो डायरी हमारे पास थी और 5 साल बाद मैंने वो जब डायरी खोली थी, हम दोनों बैठे हुए थे, मैंने वो डायरी खोली। ही हैज डन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नो, उससे जो डायरी में लिखा हुआ, उसने लिखा था मेरा इतने इसका एफडी होगा, मैं ये फिल्म कर दूंगा, मैं पवित्र रिश्ता इतने टाइम पर छोड़ूंगा, और उसने वो एग्जैक्टली वो चीजें की थी और वो कर रहा था ना। जो लड़का अपनी लाइफ की इतनी अच्छे से प्लानिंग, आई एम वेरी श्योर अभी तक अगर आई एम वेरी श्योर जो भी उसके पास डायरीज होगी उसमें भी उसकी बहुत अगले 5 साल की प्लानिंग उसने अभी भी लिख रखी होगी।
Well, this is not conjecture. This is an insider, a person who lived with Sushant Singh Rajput, who first led on this diary disclosure. And since last Friday, 31st of August, Times Now has been asking the question, where is the diary? Did the diary have some key issues that he had noted down, key feelings, key notings, key people he met and what he was feeling about them? And not a word coming in from Mumbai police, which was supposed to be at the crime scene and rescued all these details. Today, let's play out this crack investigation evidence that we've got. Our team has revealed that there was a diary. The diary is with Mumbai police and the diary has been tampered with in this sting operation that our reporter Priyank Tripathi has carried out. It is very clear that the diary did exist. It has been obtained. The Mumbai police has hidden it, and crucial pages which could have had links and feelings and testimonies of the last 12 months of Sushant Singh Rajput's life. Those pages have been destroyed. They have been ripped off. Listen in to this sting done by Priyank Tripathi.
नाही सर, एक नाव आहे आणि नावाच्या नंतर पान हे नाव आहे काय नाही सर, एक नाव आहे आणि नावाच्या नंतर पान हे नाव आहे काय नाही सर, एक नाव आहे आणि नावाच्या नंतर पान हे नाव आहे काय
Well, on the case tonight, ladies and gentlemen, this diary is the evidence that I want to present to you. This diary in which there is the name of Sushant Singh Rajput, but the rest of the pages have been torn off. And you heard the gentleman here speaking in Marathi saying, "Now aahe." Tanpar, it has been torn. All of this recorded in this sting that we have got, the diary pages have been removed. This is the never seen before papers, and this is the personal diary of Sushant Singh Rajput, which is out. Key pages have been ripped from Sushant Singh Rajput's diary. What did they contain? Did anybody know about this? Who tore these pages from the Sushant diary? Did Pithani have a role in these missing pages? Did Sushant mention his tormentors on these pages? This diary is central to the mystery of Sushant Singh Rajput's death. Did Sushant mention Disha in this diary? What was it that was troubling him? Why was he so troubled? And the person who actually opened the door and reached the location, that was Siddharth Pithani. And Siddharth Pithani was the first man to discover this. Let's listen in to what Siddharth Pithani. Well, he's joining us, and also with us tonight is Mr. Vikas Singh, the family's lawyer. I want to have both of them on the screen before I ask the legitimate question. And Siddharth Pithani, Buddha Pithani joining us on the News Hour tonight. Buddha Pithani,
Hello, ma'am.
was there a diary that Sushant Singh Rajput maintained?
Ma'am, at any given point of time, the house was filled with notebooks and books. So he had any number of journals and diaries that he used to maintain.
Did he maintain a single diary where he wrote down the events of the day?
I'm sure there are some books that they were in the house, and we all taken those diaries and we have submitted to the officer that we have taken the diaries along with them.
How did the diary get collected by the Mumbai police, and who tore the pages, Siddharth Pithani? Because you were in the room. Did somebody tear the pages in front of you? The diary is with Mumbai police. Did you ever question the Mumbai police, or did the Mumbai police ever question you about the diary and the torn pages?
Ma'am, there were no, they did not tear any pages in front of me. And जो भी हमको books मिले थे, उसी time हमने उनको दिया था. उन्होंने they have asked us कि there are any notebooks in the house or diaries that
पूछा था? मुंबई पुलिस ने आपसे पूछा था कि कोई डायरी है कि नहीं?
Yes.
उनको कैसे पता चला कि डायरी होगी?
उन्होंने पूछा था कि नोटबुक्स है क्या कोई, तो हमने हमारे सामने ही था जो भी सर का लाइब्रेरी है ना, we had around 1200 books in his house.
But they didn't ask for books, they asked for a diary.
They asked for a diary, but we have given them around 20 diaries of Sushant. A lot of them.
Did Ria ever talk to you about the diary?
No, ma'am, no.
Did she tell you to rip off some pages?
No. There were no ripping of any pages.
Mr. Vikas Singh, senior counsel, joining the broadcast. And Mr. Vikas Singh, do you find this believable theory that the Mumbai police comes in and asks for a diary? Why would they ask for a diary, or the diaries that Siddharth Pithani, 10-20 of them that they took out and gave the Mumbai police? Were they looking for something specific? Isn't that question that would cross your mind as it is crossing mine?
Well, Navika, the fact that Siddharth Pithani was there when the room was opened, and the fact that he allowed he made the person who opened the lock to go out before he opened the room. He didn't allow him to see what is inside the room, and then the diary was inside the room, and there were torn pages in the diary. There is huge amount of suspicion as to who would have torn those pages. And anybody who was there, I mean, Mr. Pithani was there, or one more person I believe was there, or the police tore the diary. Whoever has torn the diary, that diary definitely had very crucial information, because whether it be suicide or murder, there could be a definite inkling of what was in Sushant's mind to suggest why, if at all, he is committing suicide, and whom he is threatened of for the purpose of understanding whether it was murder. And Navika, there is one very interesting thing which has come to my notice, that the Maharashtra government had a notification on the 25th of May for quarantine. I must read you, and this is something very, very telling. So this is on 25th of May 20, the quarantine rule under which they quarantined that Bihar police officer, Patna police officer. And this shows that they are wanting to hide something. The quarantine rule says all passengers arriving in Maharashtra will be stamped on their left hand for identification, and will have to compulsorily undergo home isolation for a period of 14 days. They shall self-monitor their health. Local district municipal administration will be authorized to give exemption in home isolation for contributing to an office or for other important work after checking the passenger. Now, this is their own notification, which gives the local district and municipal administration the power to exempt anybody from quarantine for contributing to an office or for other important work after checking the passengers. I don't think the Maharashtra police can deny both that the officer who came from Patna had come for the work to an office and for other important office work. Now, if this was already there and if they still quarantined this very senior police officer in Mumbai, then I think there is a huge amount of things that the Mumbai police has to explain, that they really didn't want the Patna police to get to the bottom of all this, and they were really hiding something. And this revelation by your channel today, I must congratulate you. This revelation by your channel today about this diary is really, if you ask me, the last nail in the coffin. I mean, this is showing that Mumbai police has really gone out of the way to somehow cover up this case, and are wanting to ensure that the truth doesn't come out and the family doesn't get justice.
So Siddharth Pithani, what are you hiding? Whose orders are you following? Because Siddharth Pithani, you should know that you are the person who removed the key maker, who opened the lock. You did not allow anybody else to see the scene of crime. You are the person who could be accused of tampering with evidence. I want to ask you, Siddharth Pithani, once more, what did the Mumbai police ask you when they got there? Did they ask you specifically for the diary?
Ma'am, first of all, the reason we sent the key maker away is because until the moment I opened the door of Sushant Singh, we did not anticipate that he must have committed suicide.
For 2 hours you were sitting outside, the door was locked, nobody was responding, and you were thinking that he was sleeping? Or did you think you had given some medicines which made him sleep, because you were the one giving him medicines?
Ma'am, no. Immediately what went into my head was maybe he was not well, or maybe previous night he did not eat properly. Maybe he's unconscious. Maximum, that was the only thing.
So you thought he was unconscious?
Yes.
And you still waited to send the key maker away. You dropped him out before opening the door. What were you hiding from the key maker, Siddharth Pithani?
Ma'am, the only reason we sent this thing was Sushant wanted over a private man. He wanted his privacy. Only to have
privacy for an unconscious man? Were you also unconscious at that point? And Siddharth Pithani, you're sitting alone in a room. You're talking to us on Skype. Why are you wearing a mask? Remove your mask. It's safe. No COVID infection.
My family is right here beside me, and I am exposed to a lot of crowd recently. The media, and everybody. That's
is your family member closer than 6 feet?
He's fearing that he'll get that infection from you.
Mr. Vikas Singh?
He'll get it from you. That is what he fears.
What is from me? There's no COVID infection that's coming.
He'll get it from you or from me. That is why he's wearing the mask.
Okay, so take off your mask. It's all right.
He's wearing that mask because he fears that he'll get it from you or from me.
Siddharth Pithani, you will be summoned, and if you are summoned,
yes.
What is the other evidence that the police asked you for? Can you disclose?
I do not understand your question. Can you repeat?
You don't understand?
Yes.
पुलिस वाले उस कमरे से और क्या-क्या लेकर गए? आपने कहा उन्होंने डायरी, नोटबुक्स मांगी, आपने दे दी. कितनी नोटबुक्स दी?
मैम, हमने डायरी, नोटबुक्स के अलावा सुशांत सर के जितने भी गैजेट्स थे, उनके आईपैड्स, उनके मोबाइल फोन, उनके सारे जितने मोबाइल फोन्स उनके पास थे, वो सब वो ले गए थे. Along with that, we have taken other evidences from the home.
Navika, ask him, did he see the torn pages before he gave it to them? Did he see the torn pages before he gave it to them? Just ask him.
When you gave the diaries, were there any torn pages?
देखे थे डायरी में देने के पहले.
No, ma'am. I did not see any torn pages, but there were books with torn pages inside them also. There was a stack of books which we have submitted.
Books or diaries?
Diaries.
So why are you calling it books?
So according to you, there were no torn pages, Mr. Pathania. According to you, there were no torn pages in the diary.
Sir, we did not open any diaries, sir. So I did not check what's written in those diaries. We just submitted according to the heading. We have seen it and we have submitted it. And the family members have taken a written receipt also that we have taken these books from the house.
Well, Mr. Pithani.
But the family members say that the pages were torn that day. The
Sir,
sister who came, Navika, let me just ask him. The sister who came there, she had
Yes.
seen the torn pages. I did not want to say all this on channel, but now that it is out in the open, she had seen the torn pages at that time when she saw the body for the first time. How is he saying that there were not torn pages? I don't understand how is Mr. Pathani saying that there
So
were no
you
torn
tore the
pages.
pages, Siddharth Pithani?
No, ma'am, I did not.
Who
say
else
any-
came into the room? Who tore the pages?
There were some pieces of paper that I have shown it to the investigation officer. They have taken pictures of it, and it's basically a game that Sushant used to play. Like basically, it has some notes.
So
on it,
you
and they have taken it.
sent the key maker away. You
Yes.
opened the door after that.
Yes.
And many will question you that before the sister came and before the police arrived, you removed some evidence, Siddharth Pithani, or people
No, ma'am.
with you, Dipesh, Keshav, Neeraj, whoever was in the house, any of them removed any pages, Siddharth Pithani. This is important information. If you make any mistake in speaking the truth, you could
Yeah.
be
Okay. Yes.
accused of tampering evidence.
Ma'am, whatever the investigation happens, like I will be truthful to whatever I say. And us time pe there were no like I have seen in the drawer there are these
Can I ask one
old chicks
question?
that. Yes, go ahead.
Can I ask?
No, what
can
did
I
you
ask
see in
one
the
thing?
drawer? Complete your point, Siddharth Pithani.
There were these chicks. There were these chicks. I'm sure the Meetu ma'am is talking about those chicks only. They have shown it to the police officer. They have taken the pictures and of it. I'm
But
sure they
Neetu
have-
ma'am saw torn pages. Who tore the pages? Siddharth Pithani, Buddha Pithani. Buddha is what
Yes.
Sushant called you. Who tore the pages?
Ma'am, I have no idea about what pages ma'am was talking about.
Siddharth?
Take the mask off, Buddha. People want to see the real Buddha. The way you're wearing a mask, people are getting the impression that you're hiding something.
Ma'am, I don't want to put my family in danger. Nothing else to hide actually.
Okay.
Navika ji, can I ask one question?
Yes, Ishkaran Bhandari asking you a question.
Siddharth, can I ask
Yes.
you something? When you saw
Yes.
the door locked, he could
Yeah.
be having a heart attack, he could be having a brain hemorrhage, he could be in physical difficulty. Why
Yes.
did you not break the door and wait for a key maker? And when the key maker, why did you wait so long? How much time the key maker took to come? It was COVID. So why did
Yeah,
you
it-
wait so long? Natural impulses to go in. He could be having a normal physical, anything happening in his body. So why did you wait so
Yes.
much?
We have the keymaker came in just 20 minutes.
No, Ishkar, just ask him. Let me ask him one thing. How did
And
it
one
cross your mind?
1 minute, Ishkaran,
to
Vikas
send
Singh
the
asking a
key
question.
maker away? Why did it? I mean, your first anxiety was to see Sushant. So why did it come to your mind that you should send the key maker away before you open the door? I mean, that's
sir,
very crucial. I don't understand he has any justification.
The
Your
incident happened-
first thought should be of seeing that Sushant is all right.
Yes,
He's safe and he's
that-
all
in
right.
fact,
So instead
is
of
the
that, you
first-
are more interested in sending the key maker away. You're not bothered about Sushant.
Sir, sending the keymaker away, it just took me a minute. I just told him to leave, and he have left. And immediately after that, I entered the door. The door was open for me to enter.
But the thing is, why did you not want the key maker? You could have needed him to carry the person. Somebody is not responding for a few hours. You may need him to take him downstairs. You may
Yes.
need his help. Why would you
Yes.
want to wait for a key maker? But when the key maker comes, then you want
Yeah.
him not to even enter the room. So
Sir,
what was happening in your mind? I'm just asking your mind state at that time.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, that decision was taken by me and Dipesh together, and we have come to this decision only
Say
to
that.
keeping Sushant's privacy in mind. It's just
You
that
both decided, you both discussed this. You both
Yes,
discussed this. It was a mutual decision that even
Yes.
though it could be some health-related thing is inside, but you want to wait for a key maker and not break the door down, because ordinarily you have anybody not responding, you would knock very hard. He doesn't
Yes,
respond,
yes,
you will
we did.
knock harder, and then you will break the door down, because
Yes.
time is crucial. Who knows if you
Correct,
had entered that time? Maybe let us believe your thing. I'm asking you a question, please answer. Let us believe that he was hanging himself. Maybe if you had broken the door, you could have saved him. So, or he could be having a brain stroke, or he could be having a heart attack, or he could be having a normal physical ailment. So you people discussed and thought, no, we will still not break the door down.
We did try to break the door down. We tried pushing the door. It was
But
very
you didn't
bad
call
door.
the guard. But you didn't call the guard. I questioned you even day before yesterday. You said you didn't call the guard. You didn't call the neighbors. Even when the key maker came, you waited for 2 hours. 11:30, 11 o'clock is when you found the room was locked. 11:30, 12:30, 1 o'clock is when the key maker came. I want to ask you, Siddharth Pitani, what were you waiting for so long? Were you cleaning up the room? You said first that you did not know about any torn pages. Then later on you have changed your version and you said कुछ देखा था मैंने. और पानी पी लीजिए और मुझे बताइए, पेजेस फटे हुए थे कि पेजेस फटे हुए नहीं थे?
मैम, कोई भी पेजेस फटे हुए हमको नहीं मिले थे. पेजेस
मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. थोड़ा सा मास्क नीचे करिए,
ऊंचा
अच्छे से
बोलो.
सुनाई देगा.
कोई भी पेजेस फटे हुए मुझे नहीं दिखे उस रूम में. सिर्फ कुछ चिट्स गेम खेलते हैं ना, जो चिट्स खेलते हैं उनकी ड्रॉअर में से पुलिस वालों ने निकाले थे.
और क्या निकाला?
और उनके मोबाइल फोन्स, उनके कुछ दो आईपैड वो लेके गए थे, फोन्स लेके गए थे, और पुराने फोन्स भी लेके गए थे.
सुशांत आपसे कितना लंबा था? सुशांत की हाइट आपसे कितनी ज्यादा थी?
सुशांत
सुशांत
की
की-
हाइट, मेरी हाइट 5'7", 5'6" के बीच का है, और सुशांत 5'8" के थे शायद.
कितने थे?
5'8".
5'8" के थे. हाँ
सुशांत 5'8" के थे आपके हिसाब से?
हाँ, या
6 feet, 183
He was
centimeters.
6 feet.
He
By
was
all
183
accounts,
centimeters, which is
183
exactly 6 feet.
सेंटीमीटर, 5'8".
भाई
तो आपसे
ये
एक-
उनके साथ 6 महीने रहे. इन्होंने
आपसे एक
ना
मिनट
डायरी
बस-
देखी, ना फटे पेजेस देखे, ना ये सुशांत को मेडिसिन रोज देते थे पर कहते थे आई एम ओनली अ प्रोफेशनल एसोसिएट. आई मीन देयर आर सो मेनी होल्स इन योर स्टोरी, सिद्धार्थ पिठानी.
Yes, ma'am. If you feel there are holes in my story, I want the investigation to happen. I'm sure that people will.
Siddharth Pitani, I want to ask you once again. Is
Yes, ma'am.
somebody
Yeah.
ordering you to hide the truth?
No, nobody's asking me to hide any truth. I'm very truthful to whatever I'm saying. I'm not hiding anything.
You have, even day before yesterday when I spoke to you, you have so many inconsistencies in your theory. Do you realize the danger, Siddharth Pitani, as the person who found Sushant's body first, you
Yes.
will be the first person to be questioned on any tampering of evidence. Siddharth
Yeah,
Pitani, I
I'm sure-
want
I'm
to
sure
ask you, how many diaries did you give to the Mumbai police?
Ma'am, I did not count how many. There were these many diaries that police have taken. with them.
बोलो.
There were 100 and 150 pages each, and all the books were filled to certain capacity.
Did Sushant ever show any suicidal tendencies? Was he depressed?
No, ma'am.
No?
He did not show any suicidal tendencies, but he was going through a lot of like low phases. I've seen him low in January. I've seen him low in like just before.
Why was he
ऊंचा
low?
बोलेंगे आप? थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलो.
जी सर,
ऑडियंस सुन नहीं पा रही आपको.
आवाज आ रही. हेलो.
थोड़ा
जी,
ऊंचा
सुनिए.
बोलेंगे तो आपकी बात साफ जाएगी जनता में. वैसे ही आपकी बात
हाँ,
में
हाँ.
बहुत कंफ्यूजन आ रही है.
चेक.
कम से कम अपने वर्ड्स तो आप साफ बोलिए.
जी सर.
हाँ जी. तो आपको लगता
या-
था सुशांत डिप्रेस्ड है या नहीं लगता था डिप्रेस्ड है?
वो शायद थे जनवरी में जब मैं पहली बार मिला था उनके पास. उस टाइम पे वो बहुत सैड थे, लेकिन वो डिप्रेशन में थे कि वो डिप्रेस थे मुझे आइडिया नहीं था. बस वो सैड थे, मैं उनको खुश देखना चाहता था. उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प मांगी, तो इसीलिए मैंने अपना नौकरी सब छोड़ के मैं मुंबई आ गया था उनके पास रहने के लिए.
Siddharth,
मुझे
Siddharth
Yeah,
Pithani,
yes.
I want to ask you one question, and that
Yeah.
question is,
Yes.
इतनी सारी आपने किताबें दी और आपने की मेकर के आने का इंतजार किया, फिर की मेकर के जाने का इंतजार किया. इन
हाँ,
दिस इंटरिम आपको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि शायद मेरा जो बॉस है, मेरा जो दोस्त है, वो ही वुड नीड सम इमीडिएट हेल्प, तो मैं कैसे उठाऊंगा उनको?
वो इमीडिएट हेल्प करने के लिए घर में दीपेश सावंत था, मैं था, केशव और नीरज थे. और कुछ ही देर में नीतू दीदी भी आने वाली थी, बिकॉज आई वाज इन टच विद
नीतू दीदी हैड द डुप्लीकेट की?
नो, नीतू दीदी डिड नॉट हैव एनी डुप्लीकेट की.
Who had the key?
We looked the entire house. There was no, we did not find the duplicate key. That's why we called the key maker to come and.
And
lock
key to
door
the
for us.
house?
We have the key to the house. Yes.
She had the duplicate key to the
आपने एक
house.
बात कही
No,
थी,
no.
नाविका जी, कहना आपने एक बात कही थी कि जब की मेकर था तब आप दरवाजा तोड़ने का ट्राई कर रहे थे, तो आपने गार्ड
Yes.
को, नेबर को, किसी को बुलाया, या कोई दरवाजे पे ऐसे निशान है कि आपने हेवी मार के तोड़ने का ट्राई किया था?
हाँ, हमारे पास एक कड़ा था. तो दीपेश के पास एक कड़ा था, एक मोटा कड़ा था. वो बहुत हेवी था. उसके साथ हमने आवाज करी जोर जोर से, लेकिन वो दरवाजा इतना मोटा था कि हमने बहुत जोर दबाई थी पास. It's not like we did not try to force open the doors. We
आपका
did try
दोस्त
to
अंदर
take it
है,
over.
आपका बॉस दोस्त अंदर है, आप शोर कर रहे हैं कड़े से, धाड़ धाड़ आवाज
हाँ।
नहीं आ रही, तब भी आपने सामने के लोग नहीं बुलाए, गार्ड नहीं बुलाए कि कोई मोटा लकड़ उठा के टेबल उठाड़ के तोड़ दिया जाए? आप वेट करने
हमने
रहे।
वॉचमैन को इंटीमेट करा था, वॉचमैन को, कि बॉस घर में दरवाजा लॉक है, आप तुरंत आप ट्राई करो कि आपकी कांटेक्ट में कोई की मेकर है क्या. लेकिन दिस गाय वाज नॉट रिस्पोंडिंग ऑन टाइम बिकॉज़ ही सेड कि मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम
सिद्धार्थ पिठानी, आई वांट टू आस्क यू वंस अगेन, आपने बहुत सारी डायरीज दी, मैं आपसे
Yeah.
पूछना चाहती हूँ, डिड यू सी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत राइटिंग इन हिज डायरीज व्हेन यू वर इन द हाउस, व्हेन ही वाज विद यू?
Yes. I have
What do
seen
you
him write.
what was he writing in diaries? Did you know about it?
Ma'am, I know one diary which he captured some time with me. It's called Mind Hacks. It's about like his it's about a show that he wanted to do. It's called Geniuses and Dropout.
Geniuses?
Okay, and Geniuses and the Dropout.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, this show we had planned. It was about, we wanted to do interviews and conduct interviews.
But did
and have
he
panels.
write? Did he write anything about who he met?
Yeah,
What he was
he-
going through, what he was
Yes.
thinking, if he was depressed. Did he write
no,
anything
no.
in his diary about all of that?
In that diary, the diary which Sushant had showed, and he had shared some points about me. It had points about the scientists and the geniuses around the world that he would want to meet one day. Right? And he wanted to call them, invite them to his house, and he wanted to produce a nice video so that people can see and learn something out of those videos. So he had a discussion about that with me. That's
Did-
it.
Was there a bag on the bed when the police came in?
Bag on the bed? No, ma'am. There was no bag on the bed. It was just.
Do you think somebody may have torn off the pages in his diary because there must have been something sensitive in the diary?
Ma'am, maybe, ma'am, because I'm sure actually,
You are an
Sushant-
NID.
actually,
You are an
yeah,
NID graduate, National Institute of Design graduate. You're somebody who would have had some insight. What
ma'am,
can the
so-
torn pages of the
Sushant,
diary have?
I'll tell you something which I feel personally because I'm just discovering all these things just right now as I'm talking to you. Sushant had a habit of tearing pages when he did not like anything what he have written, and उसमें there are many books that I'm sure the people will find missing pages in those books also. I'm sure investigation will happen in that angle.
So खुद ही लिखता था और खुद ही tear off कर देता था.
हाँ, उनका एक बार मेरे सामने भी हुआ वो tear off उन्होंने
तो
करा
ये
था।
आपको पहले याद
लेकिन-
नहीं आया, अभी याद आया?
ना हम जैसा आप क्वेश्चन पूछो मैं आंसर कर रहा हूँ.
नहीं, मैंने तो ये क्वेश्चन पहले भी पूछा था.
क्या पूछा था?
कि डायरी में पेजेस फटे थे या नहीं, तब तो आपको याद नहीं आया?
फटे थे, आपने पूछा आप वो कमरे में, डिड यू फाइंड एनी torn pages in the room? I did not find any torn pages in the room.
Anything else that the Mumbai police asked you for?
Mumbai police asked me for the images that I have shared with the key maker that day when I called the key maker to the house, and I had to tell him certain details of the key that they will be walking to, and to save more time, I shared the pictures of the key of the main door.
Okay.
There were other things also, and that I have shared with them, like the location, the make of the key, how the key mechanism should be, so that we can save as much time as possible. So I have shared those details with the police officer, and yeah, ma'am, that's it. Like, I think I have given a lot of information to police also.
All right, Siddharth Pithani. All right, Siddharth Pithani. I would hope that you will give us the key maker's number as well.
Yes, I'm sure I can give you.
All right. So my team will get the number from you. Let me get in. Really, the question that this diary and the torn pages raise, and the legitimate question is somebody deliberately tampering with evidence to hide the truth? That is the legitimate question. Did tormentors of Sushant Singh Rajput tear pages of his diary? That's the question. And Sushant, diary on Times Now. That's the big debate on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And tonight on the show, we have with us Mr. Rahul Narvekar, Dr. Ajay Alok, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, Shailesh Pandey of the Shiv Sena, Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, Ashish Dikshit, lawyer, all joining this broadcast. And my first question goes out to Mr. Dr. Ajay Alok. Dr. Ajay Alok, the diary pages are torn, and you've seen the testimony of the man who found the dead body changing several times. And in fact, Priyank Tripathi with us, he's the reporter who's got those details. He's done this sting operation, and the torn pages in the diary is something that investigators and the Mumbai police should have looked at. Why there has been no mention about this so far?
Well, Navika, to start with, let me tell you, I'm not amused that the diary pages were torn. I'm not at all amused. Because when you have a fixed mind, like when you're anchoring, if you have a fixed mind, if you don't have an open mind and you want to prove just one thing, you will keep on doing the same thing. So Mumbai police was in that fixed mind state of mind. I don't know on whose pressure. That the investigation will reveal, but we all sitting on the panel can definitely judge on whose pressure they were doing like. They never investigated the case, and they never wanted anyone else to investigate the case. Today, CBI and FIR has been lodged. Mark my words. Tomorrow, when CBI starts inquiring, they will run to the Supreme Court again. That why CBI is inquiring, you just said for 1 week. We'll give the reason out. I don't know what they are trying to hide and whom they are trying to protect. This is a big question, and which will come out. Because the way Mr. Pithani, I was looking, the way you guys were interrogating him and you were changing track, CBI will make him dance to their tunes within no time. And he will come out with all the evidences and everything. And this is really shameful. Because if this FIR, what has been filed by Bihar government and later by the CBI, had this been done by Mumbai police and a proper investigation would have been made, the competent Mumbai police, I believe, the force is competent. But because of some officers and some political pressure, they have had such a bad name in the country in the recent past. This wouldn't have happened. So the torn pages story will come out definitely, and the skeletons will come out and they will reveal themselves and they'll speak for themselves. And I'm again saying that Disha case, Sushant case, both cases will come out in open very soon. Well, joining us is also Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey, DGP of Bihar.
joining us live from Patna, Gupteshwar Pandey ji, Times Now के इस स्टिंग ने दिखाया है और प्रियांक त्रिपाठी ने ये स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया है। जो खबर इन्वेस्टिगेटर्स को आपके साथ शेयर करनी चाहिए थी वो हम इस वक्त दिखा रहे हैं अपने स्क्रीन पर कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की डायरी से पेजेस मिसिंग है। देयर आर पेजेस दैट हैव बीन torn off. Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey, how serious is this point in the investigation? Could Sushant Singh Rajput have been noting down names of people who were troubling him, because of whom he was having problems he was worried about? Could he have talked about Disha Salian and her suicide stroke possible murder with theories which are being doing the rounds? How important is this investigation and the evidence that we found of the torn pages?
Navika, this is a revelation to me. I was not aware of this, but this is a revelation to me. I am telling you, this is very serious. Tampering with evidence. I mean, Sushant was not a small fry. He was a very important person. And whole nation is shocked to know this. This is a revelation. Even I was not aware of this. I didn't know he used to write a diary, and he had a diary, and now this has, thanks to a reporter who has Priyank, or somehow he could reveal this. It's very serious. Tampering with any kind of evidence is very serious. And this is why this case has become so mysterious. Why Mumbai police has been behaving this way now I can understand. The case has been registered here in Patna on 25th of July. On 27th of July, the team is dispatched. Team arrives at Mumbai, and team wants to meet the concerned officers, DCP Bandra, DCP Detective 1, everywhere. And no cooperation movement is there. Nobody is ready to meet them. Nobody is ready to talk them. They become hopeless. On their own, they are trying their best to collect evidence. They are taking a statement of different kind of important witnesses that have, without any support from Mumbai police, they have done. They have not given any vehicle. They have not provided with any accommodation. They are managing everything on their own. And there is a completely lack of coordination, lack of cooperation. And then I sent one officer, IPS officer, a direct recruit, very smart, intelligent, honest, impartial officer to lead the investigation. And what happens to him? The day he lands up and he was sent.
So there is more of a cover-up than there is an investigation. And Priyank Tripathi, I want to ask you, when you were speaking to these people who showed you the missing pages of the diary, what were they saying? What were they saying about the fact? Because they would have known whether these pages have been torn off recently or they were torn off when they were written by Sushant, as Siddharth Pithani would want us to believe.
See, Navika, they were puzzled because the Mumbai police has these documents, and they were puzzled to see that what could have been the time period when these pages were torn apart. In general scenario, Mr. Pandey would be very privy to this kind of situation, that a person uses whatever in front of him before the last moment of his life. He can even write on the wall or bed sheet or anything which is lying right in front of him. And a person like Sushant, who used to keep the diary and maintain his bookkeeping, he would have certainly written, Navika, something on these pages. That's why the first thing these people did was to torn these pages. The exact timing when these pages could only be known by forensic expert, although that's also very difficult to know. But what we can tell you, that after a sustained interrogation, after the custodial interrogation by scientific method only, these people who have been lying in front of the national television, like you saw Siddharth Pithani for 36 minutes, he could not actually realize what we were asking. After 36 minutes, he says that Sushant used to torn pages, he used to throw pages. So this side of psychology of all those people who were surrounding Sushant Singh Rajput need to come out, and for that CBI officials should go for a detailed interrogation of these individuals, because they are not going to open up very soon, and that's what we can say.
So Rahul Narvekar and Shailendra Pandey, I want to ask. Rahul Narvekar, was more being hidden or was an investigation being done?
Which have been inquiring this matter for over 50 days would be the best to answer. Unfortunately, they don't seem to be having the answers for a lot of questions. So it's going to be futile asking them anything. But yes, what you have revealed today on national television certainly raises a doubt with regards to whether there has been any external source trying to tamper with evidence or trying to change the entire sequence of events and story. Having said that, I wouldn't like to come to any conclusion. I wouldn't want to commit the mistake which Mumbai police had committed. As soon as they came out from the scene of crime, they declared this to be a suicide. Without having proper investigation,
शैलेंद्र पांडे जी, मैं आपसे एक बार फिर ये सवाल पूछूंगी, ऐसा क्या है जो मुंबई पुलिस, जो महाराष्ट्र सरकार छुपा रही है? What are you hiding? Because if it wasn't for the relentless pressure put on by Times Now and more evidence that we've taken out than you've taken out, call detailed records which tell us very clearly that Sushant, even the day before he died, was getting a film offer. Ramesh Taurani has confirmed that. Even Nikhil Advani has confirmed that. A man who was getting offers of films and the mental depression and work pressure angle doesn't really stand scrutiny. So Shailendra Pandey ji, Mumbai police क्या छुपा रही है? बार-बार इस बात पर क्यों अड़ी है कि सीबीआई ना आए, बिहार पुलिस ना आए? क्योंकि जो एविडेंस निकलता है वो टेम्पर्ड होता है. क्यों?
देखिए नविता जी, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं कि कोई भी बात छुपाई जा रही है. मुंबई पुलिस की जो साख है वो सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र या हिंदुस्तान में नहीं, पूरी दुनिया में आज मुंबई पुलिस 2 नंबर पे आती है. मुंबई पुलिस में प्रतिभावान अधिकारी हैं और महाराष्ट्र सरकार, हम अपने अधिकारियों पर विश्वास कर ही चल सकते हैं, उन पर अविश्वास नहीं किया जा सकता है. मुंबई पुलिस अपना काम कर रही है. रही बात आगे सीबीआई की, तो अब सीबीआई की जो मांग हुई थी, सीबीआई जांच शुरू हुई है, तो आगे जो भी सच्चाई है
कि मुंबई पुलिस क्या आप बता सकते हो,
तो ठीक
यदि
है,
महाराष्ट्र
ठीक है,
सरकार को
ठीक है.
किसी बात से डर नहीं है, तो बिहार से आए हुए आईपीएस ऑफिसर को
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का
किया जाता है,
आदर करते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के हर बात का हम सम्मान करते हैं,
उनको किसी भी प्रकार का कोऑपरेशन.
शैलेंद्र पांडे जी, आपको नहीं दिख रहा कि ये डायरी, ये फटे हुए पेजेस, ये एविडेंस, कॉल डिटेल रिकॉर्ड, व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस जिसमें कंप्लेंट दायर की जाती थी, हर चीज पर मुंबई पुलिस छुपा रही है. क्या छुपा रही है? दिशा सालियान का ऑटोप्सी होता है 2 दिन के बाद, 48-50 आवर्स के बाद. क्या छुपाना चाहते हैं आप लोग?
कोऑपरेशन की बात कहां से उठ रही है? नॉन कोऑपरेशन की कोई बात नहीं है. मुंबई पुलिस ने जितना भी कोऑपरेशन देना चाहिए था उनको कोऑपरेशन दिया है. अब बात ये विषय,
डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, मुंबई पुलिस ने कोऑपरेशन दिया है. Has any evidence been questioned? Has anybody been questioned in the manner they should have been? People, not one person has been questioned to find out the inconsistencies that we have found sitting here in our studios with our crack team. I think our crack team with reporters like Priyank Tripathi have done a better job than the Mumbai police. So my question is, if it is such a great police force, it is deliberately tampering evidence. The question is why?
Yeah, good evening, Navika. First of all, congratulations to you and your whole team for these startling revelations that possibly confirm that Mumbai police were being controlled by politicians. Because let's be honest, no police force, especially one as reputed as the Mumbai police, will manage so many botch-ups in so little time. They lied that Bihar police have no jurisdiction over this matter despite numerous judgments that assert to the contrary. They quarantined the Bihar police officer deliberately, as also condemned by the Supreme Court. They made public the vile claim of Sushant's therapist. They did not take a written statement of the man allowed to walk around the crime scene. These are telltale signs of botch-ups and political interference. So let me say this, Navika, because this case is now at an inflection point. The ways and means of Indian politics has turned us into extremely cynical beings. So while one is pleased that the case will now be handled by the CBI, it is also true that the latter is not independent. It remains a caged parrot. So I request you to demand assurances from some of those present in the panel today that the BJP is not going to use the CBI as a stick to beat Shiv Sena into leaving the Maha Aghadi and returning to its alliance with the BJP to run Maharashtra. And as a quid pro quo, this case would be slipped under the carpet like so many others have been previously. Navika, I don't need to emphasize here what happened just before the government formation in Haryana, where the Sirsa BJP MP, in order to coerce support, personally escorted an independent MLA and under trial for abetting suicide, a case still pending after 8 years. So one just hopes justice for Sushant isn't sacrificed at the altar of shameless political maneuvering.
Well, Tehseen Poonawalla, you've seen the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police, everybody says, is a crack team. I'm coming to you, Ashish Dikshit. I want to know from you, is this how a crack team operates?
I am saying this on record that the matter now comes up on Monday in front of the Honorable Supreme Court, whatever decision the Honorable Supreme Court
It comes up in the Supreme Court only because relentless pressure has brought it to the doorstep of the Supreme Court. Tehseen Poonawalla, it was on 14th of June that the Mumbai police virtually called the case a suicide case and shut their books.
And there's an interference. Please allow me to make my point. I'll make it. I'll be very brief. So whatever on Monday the Honorable Supreme Court comes, whether it came out of pressure, whether it came because somebody moved there, the fact is the Supreme Court is of the matter. Now every single investigation piece is put before the Honorable Court. All files are put on Monday. There will be an argument by the Mumbai police.
Well, Ashish Dikshit, पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रही थी या क्लोज कर रही थी इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
Navika, we don't know. See, please understand, the diary which you are claiming, it is apparent that the diary has been seized by the police. So it's part of the investigation. Whatever, whether it is torn or not, will be disclosed when the investigation is complete. The police does not have luxury to have public investigation like you or me have, that we are discussing it in public. The investigation report will have this thing.
2 महीने में तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट यही कह रही है कि सुसाइड है. आप लोग शोर मचा रहे हो. बिहार पुलिस को नहीं आना चाहिए, सीबीआई को नहीं आना चाहिए. That's been the only position of the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police. But let's get in a word from a viewer tonight, because this is the Aam Aadmi's perception, and Sham joins me from Meerut. Sham, what do you think? Is this a Mumbai police investigation or is it a cover-up? Sham?
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Sham.
Ma'am, I'm Manoj.
Sorry, Manoj, go on.
Yeah, Manoj from Meerut.
Yes, Manoj.
And first and foremost, I wanted to congratulate you for the beautiful job that Times Now is doing. My question is that Mr. Pithani, was he aware what he's going to see inside the room? When he tried to push that keymaker out, was he aware what he's going to see inside? Otherwise, why would he first settle the bill and everything and then enter the room?
Very valid question, Mr. Manoj. The question that should have been asked by Mumbai police, Pithani should have been a key witness. But at the moment, he's been allowed to go home. Mr. Gupteshwar Pandey, Pithani ka ghar bhej diya jana, the man who has discovered the body, the man who has taken off the body from the ceiling fan and put it on the bed even before the police came, the man who waited for the key maker to be sent away before he even opened the door. Doesn't it raise questions? And now, tampered evidence of the diary. Mr. Pandey, in your experience, what does this look like?
It does raise a very, very serious question. He is in fact the most important witness or suspect in this case. He should not have been allowed to move. He should have been interrogated by a specialist, a team of a specialist. Proper interrogation should have been done. And they are not in a position to tell us whether he was properly interrogated or not. What truth has come out? Actually, I shouldn't say this because now this is under investigation of CBI. CBI is a very professional agency, and CBI is looking into it, CBI is going to investigate the case. So I don't say this, but I am telling you, Navika, Mumbai police has not been fair in investigation of this case of so-called suicide. There is something very serious behind this, and there are people who are involved in this game.
Well, that's not just the feeling of the Bihar police or the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. In fact, every Indian today is questioning the suicide theory put out by the Mumbai police. We think foul play is proven. Foul play with those torn pages of the diary that Mumbai police has not spoken about so far brings up the question. The WhatsApp messages and the complaints of the risk to the life of Sushant Singh Rajput is the question uncovered here, right here on Times Now, before anywhere else. Well, if we can investigate, if we can find the evidence, if we can question the man who should have been the main witness in this case, if not the accused or somebody who should be charged with tampering of evidence, Siddharth Pithani has been questioned here not once but twice on the News Hour. And every time you've seen inconsistencies in his version. The question is, why did the Mumbai police not find these inconsistencies? Why have they allowed this man, Siddharth Pithani, go away not just in Mumbai, but outside the jurisdiction of Mumbai, to Hyderabad, to Kakinada, to all sorts of places? Questions that beg answers. Both the Enforcement Directorate and the CBI looking at this question. Riya Chakrabarti expected to present herself before the ED tomorrow. Will she do so? Well, already one bahana has come up. Her lawyers have approached the ED to say it's COVID time, it's not safe for her to come. The ED has gotten back and said all precautions will be taken, please come. Will Riya Chakrabarti and her family, all who have been named accused by the CBI FIR, which I hold in my hand, Riya, her father, her mother, her brother, all of them have been named as accused, and also Samuel Miranda and other people. That is the big story that we'll follow tomorrow. Will Riya keep to her summons by the ED, or will she try and slip away once again? We'll continue to follow that story, but the biggest evidence right here, which could be possible tampering of evidence, tormentors of Sushant Singh Rajput, who may have been named in that diary and the diary pages torn off, that could hold the key to Sushant's unnatural death. We don't believe it is a suicide. At least I don't believe it. I don't know. Let's wait for the investigation. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour. Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan up next. Don't go away.